We just finished installing the K&N Cold Air Intake on this Land Cruiser 250. And the reason why we like the K&N over a couple of the other brands on the market is because it deletes this part here. This part here has baffles inside of it, which kind of disrupts the airflow of the intake itself. And what that does is actually reduces the turbo noises that you get out of this four-cylinder engine. And that's good for the majority of the market. But if you're a car enthusiast like myself, where you want to hear the turbo spin up, this is going to allow you to do that. And it's going to maximize that by deleting this air chamber. So this air chamber is the biggest reason why I would recommend the K&N over the other brands on the market. Some of the other brands do offer the same deletion of this part as well during the installation, but the K&N one has a very nice billet aluminum turbo intake that they replace it with, which actually helps out more with airflow. Now, what we've done here is we've cut open one of the other ones. This one is from my Tacoma, which is pretty much the exact same part on the Land Cruiser 250. This is what it looks like normally. You got this top bigger part, and then on the bottom you have this lower section here. And when you cut it open, you can see all the baffling inside of this, both on the top side and on the bottom. And when you look inside of it, you can kind of see like slits inside of it, which goes up into that chamber that we chopped off, also on the bottom. So this here cuts all the turbo noises. So from factory, you won't be able to hear any of that at all unless you add an air intake like this or a snorkel. Installation of the K&N air intake is very straightforward. Just like any other intake, you just remove the factory intakes. But in addition to that, this one has the charge pipes in it as well that you'll have to remove just to get it out of the way. So that's going to be step one. And then removing that air chamber that I talked about at the bottom, then installing the turbo inlet that is provided with the kit itself, and then installing the rotomolded tubing that is provided, installing the clamps and everything. Then finally, the box itself is 3D scanned and CAD designed to fit perfectly for the Land Cruiser 250. And then right on top, you have a foam piece as well that will pull air from inside the engine. That part has a filter as well on top of that. But the main air is going to be, or the majority of the air is going to be pulled from inside your fender wheel well area. It also comes with this cap here as well for the fresh air from the front of the vehicle. You will remove that, delete that front part entirely, and then you will install this rubber piece that will cap that off. This is also great when you install a snorkel as well, because that will force all the air to be pulled from your snorkel. But if you don't have that at all, all the air would be pulled directly from your wheel well. I did a whole separate video on the 4th Gen Tacoma that we put on the dyno, and after installing the K&N Cold Air Intake, we were able to get 20 extra horsepower to the wheels. So that's a little bit more than actually what K&N offers or states in their numbers when you buy a kit from them. But I'll have this kit along with everything we used in this video down in the description if you guys want to check that out. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys next time.